Hi, I'm Kelly. We're here at Germantown Metro Park. We're here below the dam at the Twin Creek access, and we're going to paddle here from the dam down to the Cherry Street Bridge, and want to invite you to go along with us as part of the Metro Parks Trails Challenge. And we're going to show you section by section as we go. So you always want to practice safe entries. Wear your life jacket and always paddle with a friend. So the section here from the dam down to 725 Bridge is pretty mild and calm. So as you can see, this is section 2 between 725 and Astoria Bridge, and it's nice and calm, pretty decent shallow or simple paddling. There are times when the water gets a little low. You may have to do a little bit of walking, whereas summertime it's marginal. We haven't had to walk yet today, but it's been really nice paddling. So we're ready to do section 3. So this section from the Astoria Road Bridge on down to Cherry Street Bridge is our last section, and it's a little bit more technical. Just below the Astoria Bridge, you'll come to this sharp bend to the left. Anytime you can't see the river, you want to make sure that you either get out and scout it out, or make sure that you get to a point that's safe before it just takes you around, because you don't know really what's happening there. There could be some big snags or blowdowns there that you don't want to actually get paddled into. So either get out, scout it out, or make sure that you can paddle past it with your skills. Also, we have some fishermen here. We want to make sure that we communicate that we're coming through, give them time to get their lines and hooks out of the way. And get in a safe position for yourself to come through. Sometimes you are going so fast that the current is not going to be able to, in their position, is not going to be able to allow you to get into an eddy. So just let them know, hey, we're coming through. Let them get their lines out of the way. But again, there's some technical things below this as well. So just make sure that you're watching where you're going. Look for the obstructions, paddle away from them. Don't look directly at them, because that's where you're going to go. So we're going to go through here. So here we are at Cherry Street Bridge. A great trip down the tranquil Twin Creek. A 2.8-mile trip, maybe an hour, hour and a half, depending on how you paddle it, how much you want to enjoy the sounds of nature, or just get a nice little workout in. Make it your own trip, own it, and be safe, wear your life jacket, and just enjoy your Metro Parks Trails Challenge the way you want to enjoy it.